10 years ago, a vision was born in the United Arab Emirates. A Philippine school that would become a home for learning beyond borders, where Filipino excellence meets global cultures. From small beginnings rose big dreams, dreams of excellence, dreams of purpose, dreams of a brighter future. Globalians conquered global stages, from the World Scholars Cup to the first Lego League robotics competition to sustainability contests across Abu Dhabi, proving that excellence has no limits.
Our school started with a simple dream: to provide quality education while embracing diversity, respect, and global understanding.
I am proud to see my child grow up not only academically, but also as a respectful and confident global citizen.
I learned to be proud of who I am and to respect other cultures.
This school taught me unity, respect, and friendship.
I learned to believe in myself and chase my dreams.
We found teamwork, confidence, and a second home. Here we celebrate our differences and grow together.
Our dreams spent the teaching.
Through challenges, through change, through a world that once stood still, we stood stronger.
When the world paused, learning continued. When obstacles appeared, resilience prevailed.
We grew not only in knowledge, but in values.
Care, respect,
Integrity,
Iamtavig.
resilience, talents.
We build, we code, we innovate, we connect minds, we champion sustainability, we celebrate cultures.
Today, we celebrate more than 10 years. We celebrate 10 years of shaping minds, uniting hearts, and building a legacy.
We are Globalians. One team, one goal. Together, the journey continues. TPGS at 10.